What is a human? Kunabantu impilo zabo have been reduced to bodies. Njengenja. Inja iyakhonkotha, labo bantu bayakhuluma. Inja iyanyakaza, nalabo bantu bayanyakaza. Njengenja, I can take impilo yenja ngingaboshwa, nalabo bantu impilo zabo have been reduced to leso state leso ukuthi kunomuntu angathatha impilo yabo and ngeke kube nama-consequences, yabo. So uJoshua Agamben ukhuluma ngento ebizwa ngokuthi i-bare life, yabo, ukuthi how people are reduced to just being bodies, yabo. uJojo athi umuntu uphila in two ways, yabo, which is the zoa, i-biological life, yabo, ukuthi i-biological life ukuthi uyalamba, uyacabanga, uyacwayiza, uyakhuluma, uyanyakaza, yabo. Njengenja, ninja iyalamba, ninja iyacabanga, ninja iyakhonkotha, like yonke, it's just bare life nje, yabo, ukuphila nje okomzimba, yabo. Then the other part of life is i-bios. I-bios is your legal life, is your social life, and is your political life, yabo. Ukuthi inja ayikwazi ukuvota, inja ibhadala ama-taxes, inja ayinayo like ifamily ezoyikhalela or abangani or abantu abanendaba nayo, yabo. So uJoshua Agamben athi njengoba abantu baphila in these two realms, baphila kayi-two umuntu. Kunabantu who are only exposed ekuphileni kayi-one, baphila only in the biological sense, yabo, ukuthi lo muntu lo uyaphila ngoba akashonanga, maka akakwazi ukuvota, akanawo ama-political rights, akanazo zonke lezi zinto lezi, yabo. So leyo ndawo leyo which abantu are reduced to only one type of life ibizwa ngokuthi a state of exception, yabo. So a state of exception is where abantu don't have like some of their rights are like they are destroyed or they do not exist, yabo. Njengoba ngisho political rights, voting, if you are only reduced to being a body, awunayo i-right yokuvota, yabo. If you are only reduced to being a body, like ikhona izinto ongakwazi nokuzenza, even ne-right ukuthi uphile, you don't have the right to life, yabo, mara uyaphila nje because akekho umuntu ukubulalile, you understand, because you're just reduced to being a body, yangithola. So eSouth Africa there are 4 types of states of exceptions esikhuluma ngawo in which people are reduced to being bodies, yabo. Firstly, in refugee camps, yabo, there are people abalapha who don't have access to education, abanayo e-health, you understand. They're always exposed to death or they're always exposed to violence, you understand. Like in the police station, there are men with indoda if maybe beka-abusiwe by maybe umuntu wakhe wesifazane, maybe whether physically or sexually, hamba to the police station to report a case, because like i-experience yakhe has been reduced ukuthi wena this body of a man, yabo, this body ngoba bambona as a body ngithi ukuthi this body of a man should not report like izinto ezikanje. There are crimes in which wena as a man kumele ukwazi ukwamela, you understand. Cape Flats like abantu abahlala khona, they are always exposed to violence, like i-government or the capitalist system treats labo bantu abaphila lapho as bodies. Kulabo bantu labo, Cape Flats is the most dangerous place in South Africa. Labo can die in any moment, yabo. They are always exposed to death, in which impilo zabo is reduced to bare life, yangithola. So what do you think about the idea of bare life, which people are exposed to bare life, people are exposed to bodies? Do you think into ekhona vele, or do you think nje abantu umuntu mekazalwa uzalwa vele nawo ama-political rights, uzalwa nawo ama-legal rights, abekho abantu who are exposed to in the states of exception?